Here we will see temporary tables in SQL Server. A temporary table, also known as temp table, is a special table that cannot be stored permanently on the database server. This table keeps a subset of data from a regular table and can be reused multiple times in a particular session. Since this table exists temporarily on the current database server, it will be deleted automatically when the current session ends or when the user terminates the database connection. We can get the temporary tables in the system database tempdb. Temporary tables in SQL Server are used by database developers and DBAs to store data temporarily and work on this data for faster performance. Temporary tables can perform CRUD operations, that is create, read, update and delete operations. Also join and some other operations like persistent database tables. At the same time, temporary tables can act like a physical tables in many ways, which gives the user more flexibility, such as we can create constraint, indexes or statistics on this table. Next we'll see when to use temporary tables. When dealing with large data sets or complex queries, temporary tables are often preferred over table variables due to their improved performance and scalability. This is because they allow the optimizer to use statistics and indexes to generate optimal query plans and avoid table scans or nested loops. Additionally, temporary tables enables parallelism and partitioning for queries that involve multiple processors or large partitions of data. Also, they support locking and transaction isolation levels to ensure data consistency and concurrency control for multi-user scenarios, providing identity columns, computed columns, constraints and triggers to enhance functionality and data integrity. SQL Server provides two types of temporary tables according to their scope. One is local temporary table, which are visible for the duration of the connection, and when the session is closed, the local temporary tables are dropped automatically. And second is global temporary table. These tables are visible to any user and any connections after they are created and are deleted when all the users that are referencing the table disconnect from the instance of the SQL Server.